The public pressure for a special session continues to ramp up in the wake of the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Initiative 65. A new poll looks at how voters feel about not only medical marijuana, but the ballot initiative process. And as Courtney Ann Jackson explains, the poll shows Mississippi voters are in strong support of restoring both.
The public outcry has been evident, especially regarding medical marijuana. But this latest poll commissioned by the Southern Poverty Law Center Action Fund looked to go beyond that.
What was important to us in the wake of the Supreme Court decision was to gauge exactly where interest was in the ballot initiative itself, as opposed to one particular issue.
More than 80% of voters polled say they want ballot initiatives in the state. Nearly the same amount want the legislature to fix the law as soon as possible. And it wasn't split down party lines.
We rarely get opportunities to release data that's so overwhelmingly uniformly bipartisan and overwhelming in its response.
Lawmakers from both sides of the aisle emphasize that the governor has sole control over calling a special session and its agenda.
Rumors are out there, certainly, that it is nearing a time for us to come back for a special session.
I think the Senate is ready to do business. I think the governor's ready to do business. I think that our colleagues on the other end of the hall still have some questions they need answered, and I think that's what's causing the delay.
But they echo what voters said in the polling.
I don't see a need to just address medical marijuana and not address the ballot initiative when we can just go ahead and put all of this to bed.
It's my understanding we can correct the ballot initiative with basically 3 words. So I am eager for us to address the ballot initiative myself as well. I'd like to see us do that in a called session.
Governor Reeves indicated last week that he doesn't think there's as immediate of a need to fix the ballot initiative process since it couldn't appear on a ballot till next year. But 76% of those polled think he should include it in a special session this summer. Courtney Ann Jackson, WCBI News.